everyone and welcome back. This is Tyva and we're on Michail's Script Part 2. In this particular Cricut lesson, I want to actually show you guys how to work in column C. And for those of you that are new to the channel, this is what I call column A. The mat is column B and over here is column C. So we're going to work with some of the features over here, especially with the slice, the well, attach, and flatten. And this exercise is going to give you a little bit of practice. So what we're going to do is, one of the first things I want you to do is to find a pattern. Find a pattern online or purchase a pattern. And I'll probably put a couple links in the description box to show you what kind of patterns that you can actually get if you don't have a clue what to get. And also where you can get your Michail script from. So go to upload, because I'm going to show you where I got I have a package that has this. And then I also have a package that has the splash. So I'm going to get these two because I'm going to do it a little bit different. And I'm going to show you. Okay, once we have that, I want you to click text. Well, hold on, it just popped up. It pops up. Sometimes the clip art pops up really big. So what I do is I just click 6 or 8, make it a bit smaller. And we're going to move these out the way for now. Okay. So I want you to go to column A, go to text, and you see I already have Michail headlight. We want to do the script. And I want to do my name. Get my name a good size. Once I have this, I want to duplicate it 2 times. And then I'm going to hide the other 2. Go to arrange, make sure this is to the front. Okay. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color. No, not yet. Let's go to weld. So I'll weld the name. And let's just change the color anyway. Let's change it to a green so we can do it over here. Okay. So now what I also want to do is to add this piece to it. So we have this piece, and I want to add my drip to it like this. And let's duplicate this in case we need to. We're going to do that with the shadow. That's what we're going to do. Hide this piece. Now we need our shadow. So click here. Go to Michail script. And we're going to do it's called cutting. That's the shadow. We're going to make sure that everything is aligned with our cutting. That looks good. Okay. And then we're going to add the drip. Add the drip like so. And you want to make sure that there's no parts, just kind of hanging, because like you wouldn't want to do it like that or like this because you have that white piece there. So like that. Then we're going to go to top bar, select all, or you can just select all like that. And we're going to go to weld. You see how nicely it is? We got that one little spot there. Oh, that's just another spot. This is just a spot within that. That'll be fine. Okay. So now we have this well. Arrange. We're going to send it to the back. Looks good so far. Looks good. Now with this, I can actually change it another color. Like that. I can change it like that. But we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is actually we're going to slice. So this is the background that I told you guys to get. We're going to unlock it and make it as big as the font. We're going to select all and we're going to slice. And we're going to click on this big part here. Go over here and delete, or you can hit delete from the keyboard. You can delete this as well because now we have our pattern here. That is our slice. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. So now we have, our name that has to go to the front. like so. Isn't that pretty? So now we have our other text. Let's click on here, arrange to the front, because now we need to do the highlights right here. Now I actually like that color for the highlights. Let's play around with it and see how like the white will look. The white looks okay, but I like the darker color because we already have a lot of light colors. So that's that. So now what I want to do is I want to flatten it all like so to make it one dimension. So I know we went over a lot in this lesson. You can actually make it bigger. Now I want to show some of you all a quick trick. Okay, so for one, I want you to screenshot your work like so. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to put it on a t-shirt in a lesson. So if you're interested in that lesson, you can actually check the description box and join the lesson. But the lesson is self-paced, and I'm going to show you how to put it on a t-shirt and have it custom made for you and sent to your home. Now also, if you want to print this out yourself, I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go to Make It. This project is not supported by your current machine. Let's do this. I don't have my machine on. Let's make it a bit smaller, because it's but so big you can actually do when you're doing your print and cut. There we go. So doing your print and cut is going to come out this way. And you can put this on printable vinyl or your printable sheet to put it on your t-shirt. You can also make this into a sticker, which is really cool. Okay. So that is that. So we went over slice in this tutorial. We went over weld. We went over flatten. We actually did a pattern slice. And I just absolutely love this font. I absolutely love Michail Script, and I love doing designs like this because they're so versatile. Like I said earlier, you can actually upload it to a DTG company and have them print it for you on a number of different items. You can create stickers. You can also make this into a PNG to use for your other projects. So I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you're interested in learning how to make t-shirts using someone else's DTG machine, and you can actually use it for sublimation. Some of you may be sublimating or whatnot, and some of you may not have the equipment to do it yet. So before I got my own sublimation machine, I actually used this company in our lesson that I'll be doing. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next video.